Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the July purple glam bag to unbox and review in this video. It's a beauty subscription box, an affordable one priced at ₹4.99 including shipping. And we have a giveaway in this video, so one of you guys will be winning this entire purple glam bag July edition. So stay tuned till the end. Now let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. Even the outer packaging is nice with polka dots. Inside we have the pouch bubble wrapped. And this is how the pouch looks like. It's really very pretty and colorful. I love the color combination. It has a very thick cloth kind of material, a good quality one. And I really like the pattern. These are all the products inside. I can see a piece of jewelry and some skincare products. So let's go through them one by one. The bag is quite spacious actually. You can definitely use it as a storage pouch or even carry it outside if it's matching your outfit. So the first product and the star product in my opinion is this product from Wet n Wild. It is a Mega Wear mascara and it's a full size of 7 ml. Here it says the shade name as Very Black. So let's see how the wand is. Oh, nice. This is a very thin wand. Similar spiral structure, but it has a very thin wand. So I think it's gonna be nice. I can't say how this is before I use it. But Wet n Wild is a really good brand. I've used their lipsticks and other products and they're really nice. So I feel this is gonna be great, and mascara is one of those makeup products which really changes your entire look. I love using mascaras, like loads of mascaras, almost as if I'm wearing eyelashes. So that's how much mascara I use. So I'm definitely happy to receive this, more than happy to receive this from a good brand, a nice product. Before we move on to the skincare section, let's finish all the makeup products. So here we have a product from the Color Workshop, and this is a glitter powder in a very nice purple color. So net weight is 1 gram, and here are some more details. It has a second layer of packaging as well. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Camera focus. It's looking so nice to the naked eyes. I don't know why my camera is not capturing it properly, but it looks really pretty, guys. Oh, it's a powder glitter actually, so you need a glitter primer for this, which I do have. So you can just apply it on your eyelids. I love the color. It applies really nicely actually. You just by doing this, it's applying on my fingers. Then the next makeup product here is by the same brand, and this is a lip tint. You do have a shade choice in this. There are 3 colors, a pink, a nude and a red shade. The one I chose is the pink one. It has 2.3 grams of product and the shade number is 6522 if I remember properly. So this is how the product looks like. I am not sure if this is swatched or this is how the pot comes in as. I think this might be a handmade kind of product. So that's why it is not having a, fully plain top. This is how the shade is. If you want, you can layer it to make it completely opaque, but this is a lip tint, so it's gonna be a little sheer like this, but it does have good pigmentation and it's not glossy. It's a matte lip tint, so I do like it. And it's a very tiny packaging, so perfect to keep in your handbag and carry with you. Then moving on to the skincare products, the first thing we have is by the brand Purple Essential Naturals, and this is their Green Apple Shower Gel, a 50 ml full size, and cost is 288 rupees, manufactured in 2018 and best before 24 months. Here are more details about the product and the directions for use. I have already used this product and I love the fragrance of this product. It truly smells like green apples. And it has a gel consistency. It does foam very well. So yeah, I do like this product, especially because of the fragrance. Then the next skincare product is a CTM product which I love receiving, and this is a new brand for me named as Viver, and this is their night cream. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Oh, it seems really nice. It says it has long pepper oil, clove oil, tea tree oil, neem oil, bee gum oil, beeswax, purified water, QS, free from paraben and sulfates. I think this is gonna be a great night cream for people who suffer from acne because it has clove oil, tea tree oil, neem oil, all antibacterial properties. So it's definitely gonna be awesome for people who have acne issues. MRP is 550 rupees, so it's quite an expensive product, and that's because I believe it's gonna be like a healing kind of oil which you apply on your pimples and all. So directions are apply to face and neck every night. No, so you have to apply it entirely. So this is how the product looks like. It has a nice and mild fragrance. This is how it looks. Let's see how it blends. Well, it does blend pretty well and it's not very oily or sticky. It's kind of lightweight only, so yeah, I did like it. I hope it works well too. Then moving on to the jewelry product. So here we have a beautiful necklace which is a silk thread necklace in purple color which matches the glitter they have sent. So I believe everybody will be getting a necklace which matches the glitter color so they can create their own look like with this necklace and the eye makeup. It does look quite pretty, very nice, good finishing. I did like it. It's something that you can wear with suits also because it's quite simple. Not like you can only wear this with saris. So this is something that you can wear with suits and kurtis also to give it a nice ethnic twist. So those are all the products in the July Purple Glam Bag. It's priced at $4.99 including shipping, so I feel it's quite good, especially if you're looking forward to buying a mascara because the mascara is from a really good brand. Wet n Wild is something that I would actually go and buy on Nykaa. So basically everything else is an add-on, you're getting extra. I did like the lip tint and the night cream seems promising. Jewelry and pouch are also nice, and this is also something that everybody will like and use. It has a nice fragrance and shower gels everybody uses. So overall I'm happy because I like the mascara. So if any of you guys are interested in buying this bag, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And one of you guys will be winning this entire bag. So this bag that you see here, these exact products, I will be sending to one of you guys. So you can win this by following some very simple rules. They're all listed in the description box below. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and stay active here. So definitely do participate. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.